Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the UHQ UPSCALER option, which can be found in the sound quality and effects section of the device. Okay, so you've probably tried to enable it because by default it is grayed out, it's turned off. So you've probably tried enabling it, but you just can't get it to work. So I'm going to show you how to actually enable it, guys. It's actually pretty simple to do. All you need is a pair of headphones with a USB Type-C end. Okay, so let me just go into the settings. And go to sounds and vibration. And sound quality and effects. Okay, so here it is, UHQ UPSCALER, and this is a really neat feature, guys. It's pretty cool. It enhances the sound resolution of music and videos for a clearer listening experience. So by default, like I said, it's grayed out and you cannot turn it on. So all you actually have to do is just plug in your pair of headphones. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Okay guys, so I've got my headphones plugged in. So the second you plug them in, it will automatically turn on. And you can now turn it off whenever you like or turn it back on. Okay, so the second you plug out the headphones, it will then go back to the default where you cannot turn it on again until you plug back in the headphones. Okay, so I've got my pair of Galaxy Buds Pro here. So I'm just going to take them out of the case. And I have them hooked up to the Bluetooth. So they're connected at the moment. As you can see, connected. But they don't work with the UHQ UPSCALER. So if you've got wireless earbuds, it's not going to work. The only thing what's going to work, guys, is a pair of headphones with a USB Type-C end that you can plug into the device. That's the only way to get the UHQ UPSCALER working. But anyway, I thought I'd share this video with you all. If it helped you out, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell so you get notified the second I upload a video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Doses.